Okay, so if you want to add, in this video I'm going to be teaching us how to add shipping address on your Pinduoduo app. Let's say you're a buying agent, because this is more like an advanced level. You're a buying agent and people will have to definitely send you their various shipping addresses, right? So you will keep imputing shipping addresses of the various customers you have on your Pinduoduo app. So quickly, let's dive into it. So this is a product link. I've actually clicked on the product link and it has routed me to see the product, right? But I'm not ready to buy the product yet. I just want to add a shipping address. I've already copied my client shipping address. Okay, so you're going to watch me do the magic on or about the shipping address. Okay, and what do you need? You will need your Hi Translate and you will also need your Google Translate. Okay, I said you will need your Hi Translate and you also need your Google Translate. The reason being this: most of the addresses that your suppliers are going to send to you or the shipping agent are going to send to you definitely will come in Chinese. Okay, so that is where our Google Translate come into play, because you will have to translate it to English language so that you'll be able to pick up the district and the province. I repeat, the district and the province of the shipping address. You must speak it out. Okay, so this is my Google Translate. Okay, now I'm going to impute the shipping address my customer sent to me. I'm going to impute it in this Google Translate. The reason why I need to impute it, because the address came as Chinese, so I need to impute it in my Google Translate so that I'll be able to pick out the district in the address. In China is province and district. Okay, it's just like, okay, so this is me on my notepad trying to edit my customer's shipping address so that I can pick up the important information I need. Like, now Skyjet, they will always send you one bulky kind of address, but your ability to pick out the real address is what makes the difference. Because on Pinduoduo, they don't have space for too much addresses like on 1688. On 1688 they have space where you could put the detailed address. Even in Pinduoduo, where they said the detailed address, you will still not be able to put in as detailed as the address is. So the earlier you try to pick the most important address in your address, the better for you. So I'm just going to remove what I don't need out of this place. Okay, I need the code. I'm using Skyjet, so I need the code of my customer and the phone number. So I believe I've done justice to this. I've tried to edit the one that Skyjet sent to me. So I'm selecting again. I'm selecting all over again, and I'm copying it out. Okay, now, so I'm back to Google Translate. I've gone to my notepad and I've edited the address that was sent to me that I generated from Skyjet, right? Because the address is usually too voluminous, so you try to edit it to get the real thing, because there is no space for all those too much Chinese language on Pinduoduo. Okay, so I'm going to paste right away, and let me see the translate. Sorry, it's English now. So this is the translate. Okay, so you see, now that I've edited it, I've been able to get what I want out of the address. This is my customer's code, this is my customer's number, and that is the phone number of my customer, and this is the contact number that they will call in China. And now this is the real address. Okay, this is the real address of my customer. So I'm going to copy this English version. The whole essence of this translation is for you to get the district and the province. So from this address, if you check this address very well, it says is what Surge Consolation Center, B106, first floor, blah blah blah, number 27 Maui North Street, blah blah blah, West Road, Banyu District. So the address is based in Banyu District of Kwanzo City in Kondon Province. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it right, but I hope you're getting what I'm trying to say. Okay, so that is the whole essence of your Google Translate. See, you cannot be able to impute your address on Pinduoduo without sorting out these differences. Okay, the reason why you need to sort out these differences and get to know all this thing from your Google Translate is so that when you go to your Pinduoduo, you'll be able to know the province, the district, and the city. You just straightforward. Okay, so that is the work of Google Translate. So I'm going to try to still edit this stuff and get what I want. So I've been able to get this. I'm copying this out. I'm copying it out. I'm selecting it and I'm copying it. So I've copied it and I'm going back to Pinduoduo. So let's go back to Pinduoduo together. So I'm on Pinduoduo again. I've already clicked on my product link and I'm already there on Pinduoduo again, right? So now I'm going to click on my checkout button. I believe as a buying agent, you know your checkout button. So I shouldn't come and be teaching you checkout button, right? So you click on your checkout button. You know, in Pinduoduo, you need to pair. I don't want to pair. You need to pair. Let's say I want to pair now. This one is already paired. So I pair with somebody else. Okay, you paired. Now you see the location place where you will need to put your address. Mine already have address. But if you're a first time user, yours will not have address, so you will need to put address. So you click on that location icon. You can see I've already imputed so many addresses on my own. These are some of my customers that have used my services and they bought from Pinduoduo. So these are their various addresses. So you click on the plus button here and then you come to where you will impute your address. Okay, so when you come to this place, remember we copied something, right? There's something we copied somewhere. You paste it. I like pasting it. As you paste it, are you seeing what it's telling you? It's too much. It's showing you red, meaning that this thing you copied is too much, or we cannot interpret it. That's Pinduoduo for you. Okay. So you start. Once it does this, you go back to your notepad and be copying it one after the other. Be copying it one after the other. Are you getting what I'm saying? So let me go back to my notepad and pick what I want and come back here. So I'm in my notepad right now. So I'm going to pick the customer's name and the customer's name, phone number and code, right? Because you know Skyjet, I don't know the shipping company you will be using, but I'm using Skyjet. So I've copied the first line, which is the code, the customer's name, the customer's phone number, right? So I'm back to Pinduoduo. So what I'm going to do is that what I copied there, I'm going to put it here. They are telling me it's too long. No problem. I don't have a problem with that. I'm going to delete the much I can. Okay, so let me remove the phone number, but the phone number is usually very important. Let me just write the name, then I'll go back to my notepad and pick up the contact person's phone number. This one, you pick it out, you copy it, you come back to your Pinduoduo and you add it. That's the contact phone number, right? Then you go, if you reach the third column, that's where your Google your high translate come into being. You say they are asking you for area, so you select. You now use your high translate and start checking for the area. Remember, the area was where Gondon. One day I'll learn Chinese. So this our business is taking us to the permanent side, and we need to learn it. So I'm using my high translate. My high translate is doing the magic here for me, okay, until I get the province I'm looking for. Until I get the province I'm looking for. You have to be very careful here so that you will not jump any province, because that province you want to jump might be the province you're looking for. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing? My hard translate has located Guangdong province, so I'm going to click that one. Okay, so let's confirm that you see, I've confirmed that it is the right province. So now the district we saw there was Guangzhou city, right? So we select it. Now the city we saw was Guangzhou, right? And the district we saw there was what? Baoyu district. So let's look for Baoyu district. Our high translate is doing the magic for us. Let's look for see it here, so you click on that. Are you seeing how easy it is with your? So this is Guangzhou, this is Guangzhou, this is the Baoyu district. Now it is now time for you to go back to your notepad and copy the address. You know, the address on its own, it's time to copy it. Please don't copy unnecessary things, because if you copy unnecessary things, there is no space in there's no space in Pinduoduo here for you to paste all those. So just copy the most important thing. You see how easy it is? I have put in the address. Okay, so let's save it. Have you seen? Is that easy? Like, I have saved this address. It is that easy. See it here. See the address is there. The only challenge I have right now is that I didn't put the customer's phone number, and you know how these Skyjet, how they can misbehave very well. So let me try to see if I could put the phone number of my customer. Where is it? Let me try to put the Nigerian phone number of my customer, please. Let's edit, please. Let me edit. Sorry, where is my high translate? Let me edit. I want to edit. Let me edit. Okay, so I want to edit something here. Sorry. This is not what I want. Sorry, just bear with me. I'm trying to do something fast. So okay, this is the address we just added. This is it here. So let's do something about it, because we need to put the address. Sorry, the local phone number. Sorry, the Nigerian phone number need to be here. Sorry, please. Okay, so let me do the magic on my notepad and then I come back. Let me do the magic on my notepad. Naomi, Naomi, her phone number. Okay, see it here. See it here. I want to just put her phone number. Let me copy it, and then let me go back to Pinduoduo and add it somewhere. Sorry, back to my notepad, please. Paste. Now I'm copying all over again because I'm going to remove whatever I've put there. You know why it's important to put the person's local phone number? So that these Chinese people, they sabi. What are you telling me now? What did you ask me? Please don't do anything silly here. I'm cleaning you right away. I'm cleaning you right away. Sorry. Okay, so sorry. I'm imputing it all over again. Okay, so the reason why I removed the first one is because the my customer's local phone number was not there. So, and you know, Skyjet, when they don't see that phone number, even when they know the code, they will come and start misbehaving. So I needed to put the phone number back. So I did that in my notepad like you saw it, and I'm back to, so now you can see that Naomi's local phone number is now boldly there. Okay, so let me tick it as the one I want to use, because when you tick it like this, if you use your high translate, let me show you something. Where is my high translate? Where are you? Okay, so I've seen where it is. It's hiding. Okay, so this is it. So it's asking you see, default is set, so you set it as your default address and make use of it. Okay, so that is it for that. I believe I've done justice to this. So you have added it and you go back and do your shopping. So you can see it's there right now. So I can go ahead and check out this. If I click, I don't want to click it because I'm not ready to buy yet. If I click here and I've done the shopping, that's just as easy as it is. Thank you. I hope you got value. Bye bye.